Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a great three-story family house. The house comes with 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. It is located in the most serene and quiet streets in Green Acres, St. Catherine, known as Gabriel Road. The land area is 0.19 acres. This house has city views as far as the communities of Old Harbor and Seville Meadows. It features a master bathroom with a balcony. It boasts a self-contained area, little over 2,000 square feet unit with its own entrance, 2 bedrooms, ensuite bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining, and veranda. Main section consists of 4 bedrooms, ensuite bathroom, spacious kitchen that opens up to the TV room and is perfect for entertaining guests. Centrally located to shopping malls, supermarkets, hardware, and even pan-jerk chicken vendors. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 54 million or US $350.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.